Hello, this is the story of how the big bad wolf turns good. The big bad wolf was lonely because he had no friends.
It's because I'm big, hairy, and scary, and bad.
The wolf sat thought about how he could change his reputation.
I know, I'll not be bad anymore. I'll be good. The reason I want to be my friend. I'm from the other side, change for the better.
So the big bad wolf set off to be good. Miss Goose was in her garden planting flowers with the three little goslings when she heard, "Good day." It was the big bad wolf.
It's a big bad wolf. Hurry to the house.
Miss Goose and her three little goslings ran into their house and slammed the door shut.
Oh, Mrs. Goose, please open the door. I'm a good wolf now. I've come to play with your three little goslings.
As the wolf watched two little goslings make faces at him through the window, he noticed in a fraction that one of the goslings was crying outside. He went up to him and said,
It's okay. I won't hurt you. Come with me and I'll take you back to your mother.
The wolf picked up the gosling and brought him back to the door. Miss Goose quickly opened the door, grabbed the gosling, and then shut it right away. The wolf felt sad because he had done something nice for Miss Goose, and she still did not believe that he had changed.
I cannot believe I did not make a friend, but I will not give up hope.
Miss Goose thought that the wolf was just trying to trick them by making them think that he wouldn't eat them, but he really would.
I guess no one likes me or trusts me.
So the big bad wolf ran into the forest. In the forest there was a lizard named the Lizard of Oz. The lizard asked the wolf why he was so sad. The wolf explained the situation to the lizard. The lizard knew how heartfelt it was and how hard the wolf had tried to make a positive change. "I am a special lizard, and I have powers. I feel so sad for you, but I want you to know that I believe in you, and I have seen a change in you, and I think you deserve something wonderful. I will grant you one wish."
Wow, this is fantastic. But my only wish is to have a friend.
"Okay, here's a friend for you." The lizard pulled out a wand and waved it in the air 3 times and said, "Make a nice friend for the wolf. Make a nice friend for the wolf. Make a nice friend for the wolf." Then a nice little dog appeared next to the wolf.
Hi, my name is Wilver. Can I be your friend? Yes, of course.
The wolf was so happy to finally have a friend. The dog and the wolf ran into the woods, built a house, and lived happy ever after. Then Wolf ran over to Miss Goose's house, and then Miss Goose said sorry for being mean, and the wolf was good forever.
The end.
By Notheis
And Jenna Madden.